a 2-ton hydraulic floor jack. We need this to lift up the car whenever we need to change tire or we go underneath the car to do something, change oil or whatever it is that needs that the car be lifted up. So as you can see, I just bought this a 2-ton and it has a handle on it. And I will be teaching you on how we can use this hydraulic jack. So firstly, do you see this negative sign there? You need to and fit this handle on the lock so that it will lock the hydraulic chuck. Just turning it clockwise, it will lock the chuck. On the other hand, turning it counterclockwise, it will unlock the jack. When you lift up the car, you have to put the handle on that collar block clockwise direction to lock the car. And when you're done lifting up the car, we put back the handle and turn it counterclockwise to unlock the carjacking it. You will have to push it that way. And you have to focus the edge of the on underneath the car disc part, the car area of the car. So you can see I push the handle and it lifts up the other end of the floor jack. Continue doing it until the car is lifted up. So it's very easy and it's very convenient to use. As soon as you're done lifting up the car, you will just have to put the handle and then switch it on the left, turning to the left or counterclockwise direction, and it pulls down the lifter. So the same way you want it to lift it up, just push the handle back and forth until the car is fully lifted. So I put my hand on the lifter to make this focus, edge of it, on the hardest part of the car. So keep lifting it and doing the same thing over and over to lift up the car. So you can see I did it until the car is lifted up. Where do we use this car jack? We use this car jack whenever we change the tire or whenever the car needs to be lifted up. That's when we use the hydraulic jack. 2-tone is enough for a sedan car. Just got a hard object to put underneath the car because I want it to have a double support. I put a double support underneath the hardest part of the car so that when the floor jack crash, then that the wheel support will take in the weight of the car. And whenever you are below underneath the car, you will not get stuck below. It's just a second option to put the bowl support. Just in case you want it to be safe and secured, you will need it to put there. But if you just want to change the tire, you don't need the double support. The floor junk is enough anymore. So that's it. So I hope you have learned something in this blog. So if you want to ask how much it is, the price of it's 1,000 plus pesos here in the Philippines. I bought it in the hardware in City Hardware. So if you like this video, you can click thumbs up button and you can also click the notification bell icon to get notified whenever we have a new video and subscribe as well to our channel. Goodbye!